Hello guys, it's Dustin from Dustin Allen. Today we are actually going to take apart our little RC Radio Shack 110 scale Hummer H2 Hummer. In the last video, hold on, sorry. Last video, I mentioned that the motor is now going out, so as the servo. Well, today I taken out all the batteries and all that other type of cool stuff. This is not the first time I had it's gonna be taken apart. First time was to oil up the gears and check if everything had oil and everything else. Well, this time we're replacing the servo and a motor, and from plastic gears to metal gears. I've already had taken off the body and the front end. So, say bye-bye to the front end. Bye. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Broke. Fuck. No, I'm just kidding. So, this right here is what connects from the rear end, you see, to the front end. There's a little metal bar that's like that long, about maybe 10 inches. Don't be laughing, guys. Come on, be mature. It's only 10 inches. No, see. Anyways, so it goes from here, and underneath where the battery cover is, and it pops out of this hole right there. And so with the motor spinning, it's connecting, and through the tie rod, that's how it connects right there. So that's how it's four-wheel drive. This morning I had taken it out, put it back together, and it was 4x2. And the rear tires were just spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, and it was so awesome. It was fishtailing. And then motor decided to catch on fire again, or I'm sorry, catching smoke. And yeah, so today what we need, it's not flathead, from Phillips, but I guess it is. I don't know. Never mind. So we need a screwdriver. We need about, what is it, 1/8. I'm just guessing. And then we need a 7-inch Allen. So here's our tools. Make out the numbers screwed up. So anyways, I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna have to figure out on how to put my phone down without scratching my new screen and my new body. So, let's see if this works. Hold on. Let's see. That works. Yeah, I'm definitely lazy butt. Let's see. This side will be showing. So let's see. Hope you guys can see it. Alright, no big deal. Alright. Well, it doesn't look like I get to lay down my belly. So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm sorry, guys. Do promise to get a little stand and stuff. Alright. So first, what we need to do is we need to take out these two screws for the shocks. Now, I have to be careful. I'll show you on one on why I gotta be careful. So, let's take this screw out. I don't know how long this video will be, so I may have to do part 1 and part 2. Because my phone is still not uploading the other video that I wish people would see. So, got this out. Get the phone. Be aware. Oh, may want to turn off the fan. I'll be fine. Alright, let's see if no one gets hurt. Damn. Freak it go. There it is. So, as you can see, if it was aiming up, it would have hit the fan. So, that's Oh, let go. Alright, so I got this one out. So that's why I have to be careful, because it will shoot out like a dinosaur. So, no, it's good. Put this screw back in, therefore we don't lose it. Alright, taking out this one. You guys really can't see. I'm sorry. There you go. Oh, you can see. Alright. Hey, let's have some music. I don't know if you guys like country, but I'm a country man, so I'll play a song for the first 4 minutes and I'll turn off, 'cause I don't know if you guys like music or not. Oh, country. Screw go. Put that back in. Ah, come on.
Hey friends, it's the Ant-Man. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful night. Remember, God loves you. And I do too. I'll leave you with new Hunter Hayes. Tattoo. Playing now. 102.
I should be taking off the tires, but kind of stripped out those, so I'm gonna have to buy new joints and other stuff. Oop, I'm sorry. Damn, it's already been 8 minutes. Here, let me show some. Alright, so since I had taken off the springs, the shocks, it's just so cool. Oh. Sorry for all this movement. Oh, what the fuck? Whoa. Oh, God, no, dude. Or guys. There's a crack in here. Shit. I can't really see it, and I'm so sorry that you can't. Oh, fuck. Yep. Cracked the frame. Maybe that's why it's not really spinning. Because this side, whenever it's like leaving the ground or whatever you not, and whenever the car is like dead, it doesn't really want to spin. And so whenever you let go of the throttle, this side just stops spinning. And so there's a little crack in here. Fuck, that ain't good. Sorry for all my cussing. I am, yeah. Alright, put this back down. Here, I'm gonna heavy this up because I don't want to be wasting your guys' time. I know you got stuff to do. So let me get these 2 screws out if I can take off these towers for the body and the springs. Get that one. Now, this isn't the first, or yeah, like I said, this isn't the first time nor second. I had so many problems. I had to take apart the motor about 8 times the first time. Because of reasons. So, you know, I know what I'm doing now. But, seems like the dang thing don't want to be coming off now. Thanks. whatever. As long as the screw's out, they'll come out eventually. Get that one out. Get that one. Don't have that one. There we go. Move these screws. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing a screw. Oh, there it is. Alright. So, obviously I can't be getting these two towers off. Let me try getting off the tires. No, matter of fact, here. Alright, so, see these screws, these two right there? I have to take these two out, and this entire section comes off with the tire. And then just do the same right here. So, let me do that. So I was checking the camera. I have on my lips right now. Oh. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I can't be doing this. Hold up. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have to take part 2. Dustin and Alan will be leaving. We'll be right back. Part 2.